Wild sound of someone gasping for air followed by breath sounds. Can't tell breath from breathe. You're not alone.
Here is the secret. Breath without the I is just air, like the air in your lungs right now. That's the noun. Breath. But breathe with the E? That's the action. The verb. When you inhale deeply, that's breathe. Say it with me. Breath short, like death. Breathe long E, like seethe. So you take a deep breath, but you need to breathe. Native speaker trick. That extra E in breathe. It's like extra air you need for the action. If it's something you do needs the breathe out heavily. For more bite-sized English wins, find Edain on Telegram. Tap follow so you never miss a tip.